Hey guys, Rhino here. So I just want to let you know, guys, that I really appreciate you guys, liking my videos and subscribing. So to this recovery, it's happening at Canyon Lake. We're gonna be recovering a 4Runner that went sideways. The owner called me yesterday, and then I didn't hear from him again. After he sent me pictures and whatnot. And then when I got in contact with them again, I find out that his friend tried to help him, and his friend got stuck as well. As of right now, I don't know if both of those vehicles are still stuck, but I know the 4Runner is, because we're heading that way. But yeah, the friend tried to help him, and end up getting stuck too. And this happens more often than not, like where they will call a friend, somebody with not much experience or not the right equipment, and they get stuck, and ends up being worse for them. However, we're on our way, and I'll keep recording once I get there. Okay, here we go. We got the owners, and I'm gonna be following Alfredo and them. So last time we came here to do a recovery, we took the exact same route pretty much. The entrance and the trail and everything. We came exactly through this same area. So we'll see how it goes. Check it out. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at all those mosquitoes. They're trying to eat us. Oh, good thing I have a long sleeve shirt, so let's go. So on the last hill we climbed, there's some sharp rocks, and punctured his tire, so the air it's leaking out, like really slowly, but sure enough, we're gonna have to replace it in a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's way up there. All right, so one more downhill and that. Yeah. Damn, that's a bit. I wish it was daylight, dude. No se puede ver bien así ya. I can barely see anything right now. Oh yeah, that's gonna be crazy right now. Look at that. Hold on. Let me see if I'm gonna see if I can get a better view. Oh yeah. Let's see. A little bit blurry, but you can see it right there. All right, we'll see what's up. Okay, so we're here. Let's see what's cracking. So apparently somebody came through here already. So if they made it, I'm sure I can make it too. My truck is a lot bigger and heavier, but it seems like I have enough room over here to play with. Yeah, we should be able to get it done. No problem. All right, let me see. Oh yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. If anything goes wrong, it will flip for sure. Again, video doesn't do any justice to the terrain. So let me figure out. There's Freddy's trucks over there. All right. Really jagged rocks right here. They're like really sharp. Look at that. And there's a bunch of them around. You see this one right here sticking out? This one's very jagged right here. So we'll see how it goes. I end up going to the top of the mountain looking for a spot wide enough to make a U-turn so I could use my winch. But as you can see, because all the loose gravel and dirt and rocks, it was a little bit challenging to climb all the way up. Because of the inclination of the hill and the loose gravel, we're trying to put rocks in front of every tire to make sure the truck won't slide once I start pulling. Yeah. Dale. Baja el vidrio. Espérate. Okay, no seatbelt. Okay. Slowly, back. You're gonna slide. Hold on. Okay. Slowly. Dale, dale. ¿Lo tienes en four low?
This is four high.
I can't put it on four low. Can you show them how to put it on four low?
I've never even put it in four low, to be honest with you.
Okay.
You have to put it in hard, neutral, do all this and that. It won't go right now.
Okay, fine. Let's keep trying. Let's lower the air pressure.
What?
The air pressure.
These two tires are low already.
Yeah, those are down to like 15, 20.
All right then. Let's just keep trying. Give it another try.
Okay, we have a problem here.
What happened?
You have a shovel?
Yeah.
I need a shovel.
As you can see, there was a rock right behind the tire. It was pretty sharp, and we were lucky it didn't pop. poquito más. Derecho, derecho. Más. A ver, espérame. A ver, déjale trato ahí, espérate. Ahí está. Espérame. Espérame. There it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Dale. Driver, what do you do, driver? Okay, drive.
Ahí ya le estoy fijando todo.
Está en four wheel drive.
Yes.
No lo puedes poner en four load.
No.
Ponlo en primera.
Pero primero se va a ir para frente.
Oh yeah, yeah. Échate para adelante poquito. Échate para adelante poquito y agarra un poquito de vuelo si puedes. Despacito.
Hell no.
Poquito para adelante y luego para atrás. Slowly. No, driver. I mean, driver, yeah. Hold on. Okay,
Lo voy a hacer para atrás, ¿no?
Yeah, but I want you to turn. Just go driver. Go for it.
It looks like he's out and free, but remember, he's sideways on a downhill.
Keep going. You're out. Yo te tengo, no te volteas. I got you.
Got me, baby.
Wait. Go for it.
Back.
Yeah, back.
¿Qué hay atrás de mí?
Nada, dale. Ahí estás. Hold on.
You guys are going to crest line after this?
Say that again?
Yeah, you guys going to crest line after this?
What do you mean?
That's what he was just saying. You guys are going to crest line.
Oh, yeah, we have another. Whenever they call us. Aguanta.
Don't worry. Ya me siento más ahora aquí ya.
Sí. Despacito levántate para allá. Ya estamos ahí.
Lo voy a bajar todo hasta abajo.
Sí, hasta allá. Donde está la troca. Posiblemente, no sé si tengas que jalarlo con troca.
Pues ahí Jorge, papita. Ahí nada más me guías aquí en vez de...
Sí, dale. Slowly, dale. Mira, aquí donde estoy, tienes todo sacado. ¿No lo puedes poner en four low?
Ahorita ya creo que ya sí.
A ver, trata, ponlo en four low y ponlo en primera. Para que el motor te vaya deteniendo. Ok, espacio. Four low te va a ir deteniendo, dale. Ahí tienes espacio, aquí, acá estás libre. Allá de aquel lado hay un rato, ya vi, aguanta. Aguanta, te voy a amarrar.
Ajá, igual.
Sí, esa.
I don't know why, but my winch remote was not reaching, you know, the signal. This is the first time that happened to me, so I'm not sure, you know, what happened there.
What the hell? What happened? Hola. Aguanta. Dang it. I never had this issue before. I need to figure out why. Ahí te voy. Andy, scoot over a little bit more, mijo. Ready? Dale. Okay, perfect. Okay, tantito para adelante, te vas a ir solo. Poquito, no más. How do you feel it?
Ya, suelta.
Okay, aguanta. Más.
Listo.
Dale, ahí tienes a todo derecho. Hay un rack, ahí donde está el sitio. Hay un rack, so. Ajá, entonces, ¿no te vas de lado también? No, te vas a ir de lado. Vete al derecho, pero yo te digo. Dale derecha, ya, derecho. Enderezalo. Ah, entras así. ¿Estás en uno de Offroad? Ok, perfecto. Así dale. Yo te digo. Más para allá. Un poquito más. Dale. Más. Está derecho. Ahí vas a caer en el lugar, pero vas a caer parejo. How you like me now?
I fucking love you all. Oh, I don't think I'll ever see it again.
Okay, so he's out. We're still here on the trail, but from here he should be able to just go ahead and, you know, get home. I got a few damages to my truck. You know, my light went out again. My corner light came off, and I think I lost it. Let me see. Oh no, still here. Anyway, see, my corner light came off. My light went out. We had a flat tire, but regardless of anything, we still got them out. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following us. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right. Thank you.